Want to make $500, $1,000, or even $10,000 a month online? No office, no boss, just a laptop or phone. In this video, I'll reveal 5 proven ways to make money online in 2025. Stay till the end, because the last method can be life-changing. 1. Freelancing. Sell your skills online. You have a skill? You can get paid. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you sell services like graphic design, video editing, writing and coding, no experience. Learn from free YouTube tutorials and start earning. Earnings: $500 to $5,000 per month. To print on demand. No inventory, no shipping. Sell t-shirts, mugs, and hoodies without touching a single product. Use Teespring, Redbubble, or Printify to design and sell custom products. You upload a design and they print, pack, and ship for you. Just promote your designs on social media or TikTok. Earnings: $1,000 to $10,000 per month. 3. Affiliate marketing. Earn by promoting products. No product? No problem. Just promote someone else's product and earn commissions. Amazon, ClickBank, and Share AA Sale pay you for every sale you bring. Example: sell a $100 product with a 30% commission equals you earn $30 per sale. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or TikTok page to promote affiliate links. Earnings: $2,000 to $20,000 per month. 4. YouTube automation. Make money without showing your face. Want to make money on YouTube without recording videos? Use AI tools like Pictory AI and ElevenLabs to create faceless videos. Best topics: finance, motivation, tech, luxury, and business. Earn from YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Earnings: $5,000 to $50,000 per month. 5. Crypto and stock investing. Passive income for the future. What if your money could make more money? Investing in stocks and crypto can generate long-term passive income. Use apps like Binance, Coinbase, or Robinhood to start. The key? Invest smart, think long-term, and let your money grow. Earnings: unlimited. These are 5 legit ways to make money online in 2025. Comment below. Which one will you try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more money-making tips.